Okay guys, doing up a video today of RCI 2950. Try shutting it off. Turn it back on. As you see, it's all changing. It's also got talkback on a switch on the back. Hello, audio. As you see, it stays pretty much in sync for a little while. Here in a minute, it'll start flipping all out. As now it's green, that's blue. Got your volume and your squelch back here, your variable power on the big knob, your mic gain on the back, your clarifier, your RF gain in the back. It's got FM, AM, upper and lower sideband, CW, and PA. This radio is a little bit tricky, trying to teach people how to use this one with all the features on it. It's got a turbo echo board installed. Again, this is a used radio. But again, it's got a turbo echo board. We're going to take it over to watt meters and see what she's doing on the meters. Alright, we'll turn the variable power all the way down. Key up. Audio. So as you see, it's about 1/4 of a watt dead key. And I'll start turning it up. I'll go all the way up. Audio. As you see, it pegs out the 20 watt scale. Go up to 200 watt scale. Audio. That's about 20-25 watts on high. Again, these radios aren't big powerhouse radios. They're just good and clean radios. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take it over to the antenna side. Bagger 19 for radio check. Roger, appreciate it. What's your 20 out there?
118 mile marker going westbound.
Roger, do appreciate it. Do appreciate it. Call me Roadstar back here at the 118. This radio sound good and clear out there? Got good audio? Alright, Roger. Try to get this baby a little bit of echo. Yeah, Roger. Yeah, just kick that mic gain back a little bit. Alright, man, I appreciate it. You too, bud. You too. But there it is, guys. Have any questions, give us a call.